If you're tired of working long hours and want AI to make you money while you sleep, this video will show you exactly how to do it. You're about to discover the top 5 laziest ways to make money with AI in 2025, even if you have zero skills or experience. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is the most powerful, and I've got a bonus tip that can double your income instantly. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5. AI art and print-on-demand stores. You use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate stunning art, logos, or designs in seconds. Then upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Every time someone buys, the platform prints and ships automatically. You don't touch a thing, but you get paid. Set up once and you've built a 24/7 art business. That's about as lazy as it gets. At number 4, AI digital products. ChatGPT can literally write your entire ebook or online course in a few prompts. Use Canva to design it, upload to Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP, and you're done. Every sale earns you passive income while you focus on other things. Imagine waking up to sales notifications every morning. That's AI working harder than you ever could. Number 3, AI auto blogs. Set up a WordPress site, connect ChatGPT or Write Sonic, and let it generate fresh posts daily, automatically. Monetize with Google AdSense or affiliate links, and the site keeps earning without you lifting a finger. Some creators set this up once and watch it bring in $100 to $300 per day on autopilot. That's the definition of lazy money. Number 2, AI affiliate review channels. This is where AI makes money from AI. You use ChatGPT to write short product review scripts, HeyGen or Pictory to turn them into videos, and promote AI tools with affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, even while you're sleeping. And since these videos are faceless, you can post hundreds without showing up once on camera. It's fast, automated, and insanely profitable. And finally, the number 1 laziest way to make money with AI, YouTube Shorts automation. This is where creators are earning $300 to $500 a day using nothing but AI. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write viral 30-60-second scripts. Edit automatically with CapCut, Pictory, or Clip. Add an AI voice and upload daily. Combine this with trending topics, football, motivation, or AI news, and you'll grow fast. Once YouTube monetizes your channel, that's steady passive income without ever showing your face. Here's your bonus tip. Combine YouTube Shorts automation with affiliate reviews. Post viral AI videos that review tools people already want to buy, and you'll earn from both views and commissions. This combo is what turns a lazy side hustle into a $1,000 a week business. If you found this helpful, drop it in the comments and subscribe for my next video.